Hi, I'm Dr.Zubair Mirza. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, but also been practicing anti-aging medicine for the last 15 years. Today I'm going to speak on a topic which is very dear to me because I've seen the benefits and read a lot about it. It is fasting. You can understand from the caption of this video the importance of what I'm going to say. The caption is, if fasting was a medicine, it would be $100 billion product and would be the #1 selling drug in the whole world. It would sell like hotcakes and everybody would be buying it and discussing it, from teenagers to people in their 80s and 90s. But there's one problem. The human psychology is such, if something is available free to them, they don't take it seriously. And the other problem is that many people do not have the knowledge of what fasting can do to their health and longevity. And these are the two things which stop people from going to adopt fasting as their lifestyle. But there is one good thing. People are becoming more and more aware of what fasting can do to their health, and they are adopting this fasting as their lifestyle and reaping benefits. Still, for a majority of people, just the idea of staying hungry for several hours is not acceptable, because the current eating pattern is you have 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 2 to 3 snacks, and sometimes a 4th snack while watching late night television shows or dramas or movies. So there is about 16 hours of eating duration, and they only get rest from food for about 7 to 8 hours, which is not enough. The human body was not created and certainly did not evolve to eat so much, and because of this lifestyle we are facing many problems. Our ancestors thousands of years ago and hundreds of thousands of years ago did not eat this much. Many times they ate something and then they didn't have anything to eat for maybe a day or sometimes 2 days. So fasting is very natural to our bodies, and our genes are very happy with fasting. Because of this overeating, the humans are now facing a problem of prevalence of many diseases, modern civilization, like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, cancer, Alzheimer, arthritis, even autoimmune diseases. These are all related to the alimentary canal and excessive eating. But luckily people are now adopting this lifestyle of fasting, which is known as intermittent fasting or compressed eating or time restricted eating, whatever you may call it. The main idea is to eat during 6 to 8 hours and stay hungry without food for the remaining 16 to 18 hours. You can, however, drink coffee, tea and water, but no sugar in milk. In the USA, intermittent fasting is #1 diet for the last 2 years, and the message is getting to more and more people that fasting is a very good thing for longevity and health. A lot of studies have been done which have shown that Ramadan fasting for the Muslims, they fast 30 days in a year, has many benefits and decreases the risk of many diseases, which includes the dreaded cancer, obesity and blood pressure, Alzheimer. Most things are decreased because of this fasting. Another important thing is that during your eating duration, you should eat a good proper diet and not fast food and junk food. The best thing is to eat a plant-based diet during your eating duration, so you get maximum benefits. I will not go into the details of all the benefits of fasting or intermittent fasting, because there are tons of videos on the net which describe the fasting benefits. I will just enumerate the list of the benefits, but will also like to say that it is now accepted that many diseases like the neurodegenerative diseases of the brain like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia, cancer, they have no treatment. Medical science has no drug to cure these things. If anything can reverse or make people better with Alzheimer or cancer, it is only fasting, which is available for free, and it benefits in many other diseases also. I would strongly advise and advocate that most people should make fasting as their lifestyle, especially people who have the diseases mentioned in the list, so that they can improve and get better. Fasting is very easy to do. It is safe, has no side effects. When you start, you can start it gradually. Start with the 12-hour fast, increase it to 13, 14, and adding 1 hour every few days till you reach to 16 to 18 hours. You can do it every day if you like. You can do alternate days. You can do 2 days a week, 5 days a week, whatever you can do. It's very simple and will give you a lot of health benefits. If you're watching this video for the first time, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell because I will be uploading many more videos on health and related topics so that you don't miss anything. Thank you.